Hello, in this video I just want to do an update to something I've discussed earlier. I've done a video talking about the miracle leaf. I did a video talking about the miracle leaf. I'm going to be linking that video for those who have not seen that video. It's talking about the wonders of miracle leaf. And miracle leaf, what we call a way of Ramadan in Yoruba land. A lot of people have different names, but it is miracle leaf in the sense that they leaf as small as it is. It doesn't die easily. Somebody told me that in their place they call it leaf that doesn't die easily, and truly this leaf doesn't die truly. If you just cut a leaf of this particular plant, if you just cut it and put it on the floor, once air can come into that leaf, it's going to germinate. If you put this particular leaf inside the pages of a leaf, you see it germinate. If you put it inside just plain water, you see it germinate. So the update I want to do on this particular leaf is that there are many ways to use the miracle leaf. A lot of people say it's useful for medicinal purpose. I know that, but I'm not so concerned about that. What I'm concerned about is the uses of miracle leaf to attract abundance, to attract money, to attract wealth. It is known to attract wealth, and different ways to attract wealth. It attracts wealth, it attracts favor, it attracts mercy. And the update I want to do today is on the additional ways that you can use it, because some people are claiming the first method that we talk about, they cannot do it, maybe because they don't have miracle leaf in their place, or they don't have it in abundance. But these other ones that I want to talk about will really help. The first one I want to talk about is that miracle leaf is very good for you. You can use it, you can have it as an indoor plant as well as a plant you have in your compound. It's very good. If you have it in your compound, it brings luck to your compound, it brings luck to your house, it brings mercy, favor, good things to your house. And if you have it indoor, it's very good. You can plant it indoor. You can just put it inside water. Just get a flower vase, put water, and just put this plant, and you see it growing. You can just drop one inside and it will germinate and you start growing with a time. It's very good. It brings luck to your house. That is number one. The other one is very simple. It's very simple. This one is that you just get a sizable number of the leaf. You get like 7, 9, or you get like 11. Just get it. Just squeeze the water out. Squeeze the water out. There are different ways to squeeze the water out. You can use your hand to squeeze it, and the water that comes out, make sure it comes out, you put it in a container, then, or you can blend it. But when you are blending it, make sure you don't add water. So once after blending it, you can sieve it, and the water is what you are going to use. What are you going to do with the water? You are going to add this water to your cream, your body cream. If you are using lotion, you can add it to the lotion. If you are using cream, you can add it to the cream and use it to rub your body. What we did this do for you is going to bring luck. It's going to bring favor. It's going to bring money. People want to gift you. People want to favor you. People want to give you things. You will see money. Money will be coming from left, center every day. If you use this and you go out, you will see somebody that will help you. You will see favor. You will see luck, and you see money. It's good, and continued usage of this will bring goodness to your house. This is very good. It's very important. It's very, very, very effective, and a lot of people are using it. You see, some of the things I will discuss, don't say because they are small you don't want to use it. They are small but they are effective, and you want to use this. You can use this with the others that we discuss. This will fast track whatever you are desiring. If you desire money, you desire favor, you desire wealth, you desire good luck, it will come to you in abundance. By the way, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Lukman, and you do well to subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that when next I release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And for those who have subscribed before, thanks for subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button, the share button, share it, and leave your comment. I will reply as I normally do. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.